What is up mga Lodi? So ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo mga tips at guide sa paglalaro ng Ragnarok Landverse. Itong video na ito ay para lang sa mga baguhan. Kung alam mo na lahat ito, wag muna panoorin. Unang-una gagawa tayo ng character. Ka mamili ng gusto mong itsura ng character mo, pwede rin lalaki or babae na character.
After you create your character, go to the description link and follow the steps to redeem free coupon codes for the free items. After you redeem your codes, go back to the game. After redeeming your code, check your RODX for the rewards. Then retrieve all. After that you can start grinding. First go to Training Castle. Then put your name on it. This is case sensitive, so you have to enter the correct spelling of your character name. Then select apply for training. Then follow the step. In this section, you have to talk item tutor first. For the additional freebie items. Then talk to Kafra employee. Then follow the step again. Okay, now press Alt E for the inventory. And let's put the red potion first for the HP recovery. Then double click all your weapon and gears. After that press Alt A for your stats. STR for strength, AGI is for agility, VIT is for vitality, INT for intelligence, Dex for dexterity, and last luck for lucky. Since I will make Battle Priest, I'm going to put STR, AGI, and DEX. Double-click the Increase Agility scroll and Blessing scroll and then follow the steps. I decided to go Tough Monster for the fast level up. Just keep in mind you need to be ready for the red potion before you attack a monster. I choose Spore and Rocker. Don't attack the Thief Bugs, they are high level monsters. You need to make job level 10 for you to change whatever job you want. After you complete job level 10, talk to Keyman and proceed the next course. Talk to Keyman first for the information. Then talk to Hansen for the final questions. The questions is easy. Any answer is correct. After that, Hansen suggests a job recommendation. But I choose my own choice. And you will receive some important items. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys learned something in this video. Please subscribe for more.
One family in a sweet harmony.